Happy Friday, happy trading. Only thing better than a Friday is a Monday, so then we know we could keep on trading. But let's go into the trades today. Wasn't the best today. For the most part, we thought we saw the Holy Grail, the trifecta. So we moved a little early and we went all in. And doing that, we hit our maximum loss for the day. So we went over our maximum loss per trade times four, but we hit our maximum loss per day. And we did it on Amazon. And I'd like to show you why. What I saw here is the 2 minute. Let's go to the 5 minute. I was gonna say it better not be that. There's the 5 minute. And then let's go to the 15. It gives a better showing of it. So 15, we have a flat 200. We're looking at up, down, double bottom, off. And that's what we thought this was. We thought it was the trifecta off, flat 200, off a flat 200. Let's see what the 1 minute looked like. What did the 1 minute look like? Flat. So basically, we piled in here early. We had an elephant. We thought it was clearing. We thought it was about to be clearing if it got a little higher. So we got all in here and then it went and we got out. But we lost all of that. So, I mean, it would have made more sense if we would have got in and then we would have got out quickly. But as soon as we got in, it just ripped on us. And right there, I should have got out. I mean, I should have got out here, but I couldn't do anything because I was so sold on the idea that this was a trifecta. And when it went down, it made it even better because I said, okay, this is a tail bar off of a flat 200 on a 15-minute chart. I thought there was nothing better. So I went all in and I lost. So, granted, Fridays have been my worst trading days. We've been staying up late to watch Power at like 12 o'clock the night before. Can't sleep. I started coding again, which is interesting. And I've gotten really deep in on this project. So, you know, I'm gonna say I wasn't really caring about trading today, because I've been working on the project the whole time. So, but this is just a bad trade. I should have got out here. So either here nor there. Now let's go over the trades. So it would have been what Fab Four, uh, Fab Four here. You see how we tried to take it right off the Fab Four. You could have took this elephant right there. We'd say one push, two push, three push, get out. And then you have a green bar. All of this is a green bar. So we stop right here. We play it up. I guess you get out there. We kind of have this little top that we're not able to pass. Keep moving. We got this narrow state. Elephant bar off a narrow state. You take that. And you just say one, two, three, get out, leave a lot, add right there. How far was that move? Same length as that move. There's the whale, the picture of money is right there. Uh, this is a pretty far elephant bar. You would have probably played that. And because it was eliminated so quickly, position of power, any elimination of a red by a green bar is played up. So this is played up. One, two, three. Probably get out, leave a lot, take out, pile in, less than 50%. Looks like the triangle. Playing up, get out, sell, off the 20, off the 20. These are good ad opportunities if it was sold right there. Add more, add more. Would have got out there. Maybe you say that's an elephant. O1, O2. Can't expect too much. Looks like you don't get anything. Keep in mind that the 20 is flat. Probably gonna do a range or something like that. We like to play it when the 20 is its strongest angle, and that's at the 45 and the flat 200. So this is a wide state. We would only really be playing it down. What's the chances? We were going to play it down. Elephant. Try to get to the red. Didn't get there. Bar takeout there. Get out. Leave a lot. Looks like there's some resistance right here. You see a bar like this, you automatically jump into it and sell. As soon as it got right there, one, two, three, four, five, six, took out 6 bars. It really took out all of these bars. made all of those bars irrelevant. So you jump into that and you sell, even if it's at the 200 with support. Just don't expect too great of a move since it started way up here. One, two, maybe it goes a little further down. No, that's the end of the day. So there was your elephant or hidden whale from an elephant bar. A hidden whale. Let's go. That's the only trade we made was Amazon. So let's go to Google and just let's look how everything. Look at this. At the end of the day, flat state, elephant bar, Google. That would have been a nice thing to get be in. Let's see the beginning of the day on Google. Flat state, first bar, wrong color. Next bar, nope. Next bar, nope. This, we could say off a level of previous support. Green bar takeout. Or ribby, red bar ignore from an elephant bar. Off a flat 200, elephant bar. Off a flat 200. Regardless, you take that. Let's say we put two lots here. We don't get anything. We hold it. We hold it. Keep in mind the stop is here. If we got in on the ribby, we have two lots in. We're going negative. Add three lots. We're at five lots. This is how far this leg was. We're going to expect that length there. And then with our five lots, we ride it. One push, two push, three push. Happens to be the same length as that. Get out everything, or get out four lots, leave one lot on. Rinse and repeat. Four more lots. Since this is 50%, we can expect this to go higher than this. So we added here. We have five lots. We're going to get out because we have a bull 180. We expected it to be higher than that. It just didn't work. Sometimes it doesn't work, but it still would have been profitable. Bull 180. Keep in mind, we're still in the position of power. So if this goes up, we play that up. Leg one, leg two. Seems to be resistance right there. So we play that one up, we play that one up. This off the 20, we play this one down. We might add to it there on going down. Probably get out. But then this is a bull 180. So we're going to sell into the bull 180. We get here, we get out of all of our lots but one. On that, we would have added more lots to our one that we kept on. Playing it there, rinse and repeat. Get out everything, leave one lot on. Play it up. Stop and reverse. Play it down. Stop and reverse. Play it up. Flat state. Elephant bar. It goes up. End of the day. Next one, let's go to Intel. 19. Yeah. Oh, that would have been a nice one to be in. Fab 4. Keep in mind, you can play this like a 200. You have that under the actual 200, off a 20 at this point, clearing everything to the left at this point, clearing everything to the left of this for quite some time. So you buy into this as soon as it's forming. Set the stop right here or right here, or maximum stop that you can take. One push, two push, three push, get out, leave one lot, let it go down, let it go down, let it go down, let it go down. Buy. So I was buying here because of that tail bar. Keep in mind this is still a position of power, so we're going to play anything up. That's what I would have done. And as soon as it went against me, I would have got out. Um, but we have another play right here, position of power. One, two, three, get out. This is a pretty significant bar. You could play it down. Keep in mind the stop would be right here. So right there you would add. When you add, you would probably move the stop. Off the 20 wide. This made such a large move, we might just expect it to stay up all day and not expect to move down. That's the only way we play it. We can tell that it's been moving a large way because the 200 is angled at 45 degrees. And for that to happen, the move had to have been going on for quite some time. It's getting closer. You play that. So, end of the day, you got a whale. Aye, Captain. I see the whale right there. So the next one is going to be Chase. We're going to flat stay. You're going to erase that because this is the Fab Four. I mean, Fab Four here. Erase this because it's so far away. You're going to move up. You buy into it. Probably get out most right here. Add more here. Let it ride. Probably got out here. So, two. And what is that? That is, well, whale. Elephant off the 20. Nope. Get out. Off the 20. Flat state. Play it up. Leg one. Leg two. Keep that in mind. That was a nice move. However you played it, it's profitable. 45-degree angle, 20 moving average. That's its strongest position that it can be. Off the 20, sell, ride it. Flat stay, whale. Remember the three whales? One, two, three. So this is another whale. And it got even better. So all of that profit. Next one's going to be Uber. 19 flat, four, elephant bar off of it, breaks through previous resistance. Get an elephant off of that and an elephant off the 200. You sell probably a quick whale. And it was one right there. Whale. Could have left one lot on, came back, added, piled in there, made even more money. Looks like we have some type of level here. We'll play that up, get out. Gotta play that back. would have added there, got out here. Move might just be so far that this is just going to stay flat all day. L1, L2, off 20, play down, add, stop and reverse, get out, off 20. Hold on. I don't know where we were, but 200 elephant. So the fact that that got such a pushback, this is probably a very good bar. Add position of power. Next one we're gonna do Walmart. It's the 18th. 19th. You would say you remember you can erase the last bar of the day, so let's get rid of that. You would say, hey, here's the Fab Four. You got an elephant bar off of it, a 20. That's a sell. Keep in mind, L1, L2. Can't expect too much, but you do get whale. And then right here looks like a tail bar. So let's zoom in. Tail bar, we take tail bars. Set the stop right there. Plan it to here. Bam. Leave it. Or don't, because keep in mind, here's the Fab Four. Looks like this curled over to a 45. This was the move off of the 20. One, two, three. Ignore, ignore. We got two in a row. Green bar takeouts, then you can ride the 8. MA gets there, you get out. You could say bull 180. Here's the red bar. This will be the green bar. 50% is the 20. Add, get out. You could leave one or you could get out of everything, however you want to do it. That would be worth playing since it's a bull 180 off of a 200. You expected a great move. Another whale. Buy. Another whale. And that's rough right there. That one's rough. That one is rough in the position of power, and you see it comes down and comes right back up. Oof. End of the day, that's a rough one. So last stock of the day, Exxon, you'd have Fab Four above it, cross, get in, get out, leave a lot, add one, two, micro whale, get out, sell here because that's a red bar. That's a rather large red bar. So that's becomes the red bar. Stop, add, lower it, add some more, lower it. Finally, you got it off of 20. Never pass this one. Kind of got you out on that. You could have only got out of these extra lots, got back in them, taking it down, try to play it to the red. Not enough else. Yep, got it. And then it went beyond. Oof. Oh, I just fell all day. Position of power. That's what you like to see right there. That's a little off. The 20. That's a sell. No, elephant off 20. Red bar. Ignore. But still position of power. So that's a sell. And then that's how you make the big bucks. Tail bar, as soon as it gets by it, buy into it, get out. Happy Friday. It was a good week trading. We're getting better. Things are coming together. Christmas holidays are coming up, or holidays, whatever you celebrate. So have a wonderful time with your family. Be back at it next week, and always keep trading. Deuces.